Hi, welcome to part 28, stage 29, the body. This is episode 2. The bonus episode about the dash will also be included as part of this section of the build. This episode catches up with the interior of the bodywork, as it was painted and built at the same time as the dash. The parts are cut out and set out, ready for preparation. There are a lot of ejector pin holes that need filling and filing. While the sprue goo is drying, put the first coat of matte black on the dashboard, a 50/50 mix with thinners. Some videos showing the process of cleaning up the ejector pin holes, filing them smooth. Ready for painting now. Two coats of 100% matte black was applied over 2 days. Revell SM363, replacing Humbrol 195. I couldn't get Humbrol 195 anymore, and the Revell version is the closest match. It is thinner and needs more coats. First coat applied today. A gloss coat on the back of part 199, and first coat for the machined steel dash fascia, using Tamiya No X11. Second coat of Revell 363. Applied a third coat of Revell. The reverse side of the seat bottom plate is dry, and matte coat varnished. Now painting the facing. A first coat of matte black. Final green coat on the back plate of the rear seat. Second black coat on the seat base front. Humbrol's No. 9 gloss tan brown for the leather tool holder on the passenger door. and some monochrome on the dial rings on the dashboard. Humbrol's Metallic 27003 on the door fittings. Matte black on the switches on the dashboard. Polish the metal parts with a cotton bud, sealed in the paint with a gloss coat varnish. Vice coat of gloss green number 3 to the front of the seat base. Revell rubber black number 9 to the switches on the dashboard. Used a cocktail stick to touch in paint defects. Molito chrome pen to coat the underside of the dash valves. Brass wire for the switches. Matte black covering the chrome on the valves. It should make the valves shine in the right light conditions. Now to the outside of the bodywork. 50/50ths matte black thinners mix as a first coat on the outside cabin panels. Matte black coat on the raised seat fronts. Second matte black coats. Second gloss green coat on the seat base. And a single gloss green number 3 on the valve base. Installing brass switches made from brass wire. Carving a pine knob. Using a slow speed setting on a battery drill. The knob will be installed as the turning handle for the windscreen wipers. There, that looks just right. That's the end of this part. In the next episode, I shall be putting the bodywork together. Make sure to subscribe, so you don't miss the third episode of this stage. Click the link to watch the series from the beginning.